Wow! Today is perfect for an adventure! Go, 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 go! Where are we going? Maybe we should decide first.
No time! And just like that, the adventure began a little too fast.
Let's find the golden apple tree! Has anyone seen a map?
When you rush, you might miss something important.
Uh-oh! Goat leg stuck!
I'll pull.
Oh.
Step back, push slowly.
I will guide. She talks slow, but thinks fast. Come on, guys! The mushrooms are glowing! Wow, they're so pretty! Let's keep following the... Careful! I got this! One at a time! Okay, Shelly.
Okay. Sometimes the slow way is the safe way.
We're crossing safely!
Yes, step by step.
Almost at the other end! We did it! Apple! Oh no! Wait, watch. I rushed too much. I jumped too much.
And I?
Just enough. Together!
I got!
Steady!
What adventure will they find? Next time, subscribe for more adventures.